Welcome to the web development revolution. The web is changing, fast. Users want more. Businesses need flexibility. How do we keep up? Service-oriented architecture, or SOA, with Node.js is the answer. It's changing how we build and run web applications. Imagine a city, not a messy one, but a well-planned one. Each district has a role. That's SOA. It breaks down complex applications into smaller, independent services. These services talk to each other. This makes web apps more efficient and scalable. Node.js enters the scene as the perfect tool for building these services. It's fast, lightweight, and built for the web. Together, SOA and Node.js are a powerful duo transforming web development. Are you ready to join the revolution? Let's dive in. Now, imagine building a house with Lego bricks. Each brick is independent. You can combine them to create anything. That's the basic idea behind SOA. In SOA, we build applications with independent services. A service is like a mini program. It does one thing well. For example, a service could handle user logins or process payments. These services communicate with each other. They use standard protocols like sending messages. This makes them language agnostic. You can build services in different programming languages, and they'll still work together. This modular approach offers several advantages. Applications become more flexible, scalable, and easier to maintain. Let's explore these benefits further. Why has Node.js become incredibly popular for web development? Because it's perfect for building the independent services that make up an SOA. Node.js is built on JavaScript, which most web developers know. This makes it easy to adopt and use. No need to learn a whole new language. It's also asynchronous and event-driven. This means it can handle many requests simultaneously without getting stuck. This is crucial for building fast and responsive applications. Node.js has a thriving community and a vast ecosystem of packages. This makes development faster and more efficient. You can find pre-built modules for almost anything. The web is constantly evolving. Your applications need to evolve too. SOA with Node.js makes this easy. Need to add a new feature? Just create a new service. No need to touch the existing codebase. This reduces the risk of introducing bugs. What about handling more users? No problem. Just add more instances of the service that needs more power. This is called horizontal scaling. It's much easier and more cost-effective than traditional scaling methods. SOA with Node.js makes your applications future-proof. They can adapt to changing requirements and grow with your business. Section 5. Easy maintenance. Happy developers, happy users. Bugs happen. It's a fact of life. But with SOA, fixing them is much easier. Remember, each service is independent. If one service has a bug, it won't bring down the whole application. This makes debugging and fixing issues faster and less stressful. Updates are also a breeze. You can update individual services without affecting others. This means less downtime and happier users. Easy maintenance translates to lower costs and faster development cycles. Everyone wins. Section 6. Real-world SOA, from e-commerce to streaming. SOA is not just a theoretical concept. It's used by many successful companies to build powerful and scalable applications. Think about e-commerce giants like Amazon. They use SOA to handle millions of transactions daily. Each step, from browsing products to processing payments, is handled by a separate service. Streaming services like Netflix also rely on SOA. Different services handle video encoding, streaming, user management, and recommendations. Even ride-sharing platforms like Uber use SOA to connect drivers and riders, process payments, and track rides in real time. These are just a few examples of how SOA is used in the real world to build amazing applications. Section 7. Building your first SOA with Node.js. A quick guide. Ready to get your hands dirty? Building a simple SOA with Node.js is easier than you think. First, choose a framework. Express.js is a popular choice. It simplifies routing and handling requests. Next, define your services. What will each service do? How will they communicate? You can use RESTful APIs for communication. They're easy to understand and use. Finally, deploy your services. Platforms like AWS or Heroku make this a breeze. Congratulations! You've built your first SOA with Node.js. Now go build something amazing. Section 8. Challenges and considerations. SOA isn't always easy. While SOA offers numerous benefits, it's not a silver bullet. There are challenges and considerations. Service design. Designing services properly is crucial. Poorly designed services can lead to complexities and inefficiencies. Communication overhead. Communication between services adds overhead. This can impact performance if not managed carefully. Testing. Testing a distributed system like SOA can be more complex than testing a monolithic application. Monitoring multiple services is crucial to ensure everything runs smoothly. It's important to weigh the pros and cons before diving headfirst into SOA. Section 9. The future of web development, SOA and beyond. SOA is not a fad. It's a fundamental shift in how we build software. As the web continues to evolve, SOA will become even more critical. We're already seeing trends like microservices, which take SOA to the next level by breaking down services into even smaller units. Serverless computing is another exciting development. It allows developers to focus solely on writing code, without worrying about infrastructure. The future of web development is distributed, scalable, and flexible. SOA and related technologies are paving the way. Section 10. Resources for the budding SOA developer. Ready to dive deeper into the world of SOA and Node.js? There are tons of resources available to help you on your journey. Online courses and tutorials provide a structured way to learn the fundamentals. Books like Building Microservices by Sam Newman offer in-depth knowledge. Open source projects and communities provide a wealth of information and support. The best way to learn is by doing. Start building your own SOA projects and experiment. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey into the future of web development starts now. SOA with Node.js is revolutionizing web development. It's not just a trend, it's the future. By embracing SOA, you're not just building applications, you're building the future of the web. This journey starts with understanding the principles of SOA and the power of Node.js. It continues with building, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of SOA and Node.js today.